Well, all four are stuck, and I'll just again try to get rid of some of this extra glue. There's a little bit of a cove, a curvature in these two, so I really pushed hard with my thumb to try to seat that fan. Okay, I'll let that sit overnight, and then tomorrow put the banding on there. I'm ready to put a boundary of banding around this center panel that I just glued a little bit ago. So it's not totally dry, but it's okay to go ahead and put some more banding in here. Now, because of this curvature here, I might be able to get away with just gluing that down and holding it, but I would rather do a little bit of coaxing here. What I do is just put a little bit of water on this area. Then I've got a big soldering iron here, and I just want to give that a little bit of a give that a little bit of a bend. Maybe something like that. Actually, it could be even more than that. So let me give it just a little bit more. There we are. That's good. Now it comes back a little bit here, so let me go the other way with a bend maybe right in here. Okay. So that helps. Now I've got a miter joint that I've cut at this end. I've got the miter cut, but I don't have it cut at this end. So I'm going to place a pencil line where the inside, and I'm going to so I have a little grid pattern here on this board here, and that's what I'll use to make the miter joints. So I want a miter joint about right there, and I want the flat edge of the chisel toward the good side, not the waste side. And I think that, yeah, I had that positioned about right. Just chop down on that. And see if it's about right. Oh, no, what did I just do? Oh, I was looking at the wrong pencil line. So, do that again. Okay. Now that should be about right. Ooh, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and get the hide glue and make that, put that in there. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wipe some of that glue off of there and wait till tomorrow to add the cross banding, the mahogany around the border here.